to see. What is it, Father?
I wanted to text you. Or perhaps even write you a letter. But then I thought seeing you face to face and telling you how I truly feel would be better.
Okay, so what is it?
I've not been happy, Scott. I've not been happy since you left. I guess maybe because I didn't get the chance to say goodbye, or I didn't get to say that I love you. I still love you. I waited for you. I thought you would come back. Every night I kept wondering who you are lying next to. I'm always jealous anytime I think about you. I was always wondering who you are with. Were you with her? The thought of you, Scott, crushes my spirit. Oh, the feeling you're feeling. This love you're feeling was supposed to be mine. Scott, you're supposed to be mine. Right? Supposed to be mine. I wish every day I pray that something that you come back to me. You come back one day and tell me that all you could find was pain and misery out there without me. But then I saw you with her, Scott. I saw you happy with her. I saw you smiling every moment you shared with her. Scott, it broke. But then I've had to follow you everywhere you guys went. Yes, I had to. Scott.
Followed me? You've been following me?
Scott, you did everything was supposed to do together. You did it with her. Why?
Why didn't you tell me? You're supposed to have told me. Maybe I would have done something. I don't know.
I wish you didn't even have to take this break for crying out loud. I wish you stopped together and tried to even fix things. All I wish is for us to get back together, okay? Let's turn a new page on this our love story. Let's keep writing, please.
It's too late.
How is it too late?
Next week is my wedding with her. I'm getting married to her next week. That's why I said it is too late. Look at you following me everywhere I went with her, monitoring me and my steps with her, and you did not tell me anything about it.
In my heart it was so real, but I
this is too late. You know that
and I know you still think
I always wanted the best for us. You know it, right?
To be another man who takes a lead
You know it. You know it, right?
Yeah, feels like a disrespect, but I'm sorry I have to clear the air. I'm tired of friends and family asking me of you. I wish they knew to you our love was just a fucking joke. But to me, it feels like I've lost a friend. No worries, yes, I ain't saying I want you back. Sometimes it's even better to be alone than to be with someone who keeps you up all night thinking softly to yourself, or alone in the dark, wondering what more pain can someone endure. I wish you knew that this was not just a song, but a letter to you.
I wish you well.
Look now at what my true love to you can bring to me. I wish now that I was kissing you instead of missing you. I know you think of me. Remember I told you what doesn't last forever doesn't mean anything, girl, you know. I know you think of me. Remember I told you what doesn't last forever doesn't mean anything, girl, you know. So I hate myself now for letting you go, even though you know holding back is even worse. You were my everything, I swear I loved you even more than you ever thought. So where now can you get my love? okay.
Pandora!
You were so blinded and you never saw it. I hate myself for loving you, cause now love feels like it. I guess it's so, cause we wanted different things. My bad for loving you fully while you wanted just the fun, the sex and the nice times. I know in life what you get